This is what a 338 can do when it hits. This is the entrance wound and the exit wound. It's a real good gun for knocking deer down at a long range with real stopping power. When they get hit by the 338, it's arrivederci.
And when the bullet enters and explodes on the inside, you can see the holes here where it exploded on the inside.
Yep, and it did a lot of damage. Hi, this is Bill at Highland Hill Farm, and today I'm going to talk to you about a bullet that can really put a hurting on deer. It's a 338 Win Magnum, and the one that I like to use is a Browning. I have a Browning Win Magnum here, and this is a gun that I use when I put holes in deer in rifle areas. One of the features that I like about the gun, it's a real nice shooting gun. I've got a little suppressor up here on it, and the suppressor, you know, takes away some of the kick. But when this hits a deer, I'm going to tell you, they get a new address, and it's not someplace that they move to. They don't move at all. They go right down. Sometimes with a hole as big as your fist, inside and outside. Not only that, it's a flat shooting trajectory on this gun. It'll reach out up to about 1,000 yards, and it really puts a hurting on them. One of the things that I like about this gun is when you load it, putting a shell in here to get the shell in the clip, you can put a couple shells in the clip. If you want to take them out, it's easy to take out, and it doesn't flop all over the place on you. It's really easy to pick them out of here and get them out of here to put them away. And that's one of the nice features of the gun. So it's easy to use. Now, when we hunt here at Highland Hill Farm, in Doylestown, we use another Browning. We use a Browning 12 gauge with 3-inch or 2 3/4 inch double-aught buck. But up in the rifle areas, like in Bradford County and Montana and in New Mexico, this is the gun I like to use. Now, if you want to come hunt here at Highland Hill Farm, we have a whole bunch of different hunting opportunities for you. We allow people to come and hunt for a day in Doylestown if you bring me a couple of posts, like some 4x4 by 8 foot pressure-treated posts, or a roll of barbed wire. If you bring 3 posts or a roll of barbed wire in 2013, you'll be able to hunt here with a bow for a day. Or if you want to go up to Bradford County and hunt on our properties up there, we have a couple thousand acres in Bradford County and New York for coyote hunting. We have some coyote hunting opportunities up there. So give me a call at 215-651-8329 if you want to go hunting. But just remember, the 338 is the gun that can really put a hurting for certain on deer. Thank you. This is our Judson Hill Road farm in Bradford County. It's about 250 acres. It's 1/3 wooded, 1/3 brush, and 1/3 open fields. Bradford County, Pennsylvania is known for its big bucks, and there's a lot of deer on this farm. Just give us a call at 215-651-8329. There's also turkey and grouse.